What is up, guys? It is the Robinhood Fiend, and check it out, bruh. $3,000. This has been the fucking best day of trading in my entire life. Even one of my friends I was talking to last night, one of my, I don't know, could be a little cheeky business partner, I'm not gonna say anything, but he warned me like at 7 a.m. I barely opened his text when I woke up today, but at 7 a.m. he said, yo, today is fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji. I'm like, what do you mean? I sent him the text. I'm like, okay, I started stretching. Might as well just check my stocks since I'm already up. God damn, that's what I fucking look at? Holy shit. This is not normal. We're in mid-quarantine, fucking mid-protest, mid-exposing the whole government, and we're stacking those sticky stacks. God fucking damn. Look at that. Even the call that I have up there, it was worth $8. I bought it at 10. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna lose $2. Fuck no, that shit's worth $18 now, so I can flip that shit for the $8. Like, who's doing this witchcraft on the stock market? Because keep doing your shit. Hey, if this shit keeps going, within a week I'll be out of poverty. Within a week I'll probably join a country club. Holy shit, look, I didn't even know Ford was ever gonna hit 6 again. Now it's at 7 something. General Electric, what are you guys are excited, huh? Damn, I think, look at this. This is Santander, bro. I got a $3 call for September. That's just hot. PG&E jumping out the bando. Huntington Bank, look at all the people from the no return, bro. From the alley of no return. They haven't gotten total return, but today they've all got, except for this shit, some China shit. I don't know, the US and China, any Chinese stock right now, back off. Any Chinese stock, back the fuck out right now. This one's from Argentina. This one could be, the other one was Brazilian, this one was from Spain. And let's get to the real juicy stocks, bro. Neptune Wellness, I really just want to hop out of this deal right here. I don't know why this is struggling while the other Gladstone is doing phenomenal. But look at this. There we go. Big O. I told y'all why I was fiending at 55. It's 62 now. Now y'all know why I'm the ultimate Robinhood fiend. Look at this Gladstone, you dirty bastard. Keep going up. Tesla, you better hit 1K, bruh. I'm trying to cash out. Look at this. All the virgins are standing the fuck up right now. Yes, sir. Disney. Oh, yeah, they got the whole NBA deal going down. El Dorado hitting 45. I bought that shit at 14. Oh my, Cosmos 90. That's just at 290 or something. It's like a 200% return. Oh my god. Every single stock is looking tasty. Tasty as in not to buy them, but to sell them, because we don't really know what's happening in the future. But I think I'm sure of one thing that's going to happen in the future is me making money. That's a fact. You can take that shit to Rihanna, because that's a Fendi fact. Look at this shit. All bullshit aside, look at this shit. God damn.